Hello, welcome once again to another episode of Learning Python in English language. Today, I'm going to be showing you how you can easily install Python and Python IDE and use Python to practice your programming skills and knowledge. So before I go on to explain this information, I want you to know that if this is your first time you are watching my channel, you're coming across my videos, please click on the subscribe button, on the like button, and the share button so you can be able to benefit from the updates and new information on Python coding and other informations. So all that being said, I want to explain to you that also I have talked about Python in my previous video. If you have not checked that, please go ahead and check that out and click on the video to learn about what is Python. Python, I can really explain to you that Python is an interpreted high-level general purpose programming language. It is designed philosophy, emphasizes code readability with its use of significant indentation. Okay, it is language constructs as well as its object-oriented approach aim to help programmers write clear, logical code from small and large-scale projects. So for Python, I think is a very good programming language. And for those of you who are also thinking of what kind of programming language you wish to learn, I think this is also an opportunity. You can write on the comment section, and I will do a video specifically for the best programming language, the easiest and user-friendly programming language that you can use to start up your career in programming languages and the coding. So all that being said, today I want to show you guys how you can install a Python IDE. It's simple. You simply click on Google, and what you need to do is just type in Python IDE. Okay. After doing that, you click on the buttons. It will show you Python IDE in this essence. So you can see that we have a lot of informations on the Python IDE. Okay. So you can see, click on it and then move down to any of these informations here. Okay, I think I clicked the wrong button. We have, okay, you can see from this list above, you can see we have IDE, pygarm. This is the one you want. So pygarm IDE is the best IDE for user-friendly for Python development, and it's easy to use. So clicking on Python IDE, you can simply go straight to say Python. Yes, you have opened it. This is how it looks like. You can click on the download button and let's see what we are going to get. Click on the download button. It will come out with some information. Okay, yeah. So after clicking on the download button, you will be prompted into this page where you have Windows pygarm. So if you're on Windows application, you're going to be having informations only about Windows. So they have this app or this software for Windows, Mac OS, and Linux. So the professional version is safe for both scientific and web Python development with HTML, JS, and SQL support. So this is a paid version, I think, because they wrote down free trial. So you'll be given free trial and it's a paid version. Why they have the community version? They say for pure Python development, free, built on open source. So you can see that both of them are the same. Professional and community are also the same. They have the community version also have full features that you can use and to build and start up with. So it's all free. You don't have anything to pay. So you click on the community section, section, and download this one for community. So after downloading, what you need to do, I have mine already on the screen. You can click and open the folder. Okay, and open the folder where you have it. Okay, I think I should be sharing my screen for the folder where you have it. Okay, now this is the folder where we have the Python. So I have to double click on it. You can double click or you can right click on it to load the application. So let's wait for the application to load up, and then we begin with the installation process, which is pretty easy to do. There's nothing complex in this section. Okay. And you can also see that, okay, you can see from my screen that it is loading already. So please wait while setup is loading, verifying installer. So we have to wait for the, okay. So it is pretty easy to just download this files, and okay, we are now prompted with some information to click here. So this is what we are prompted with. Welcome to pygarm Community Edition Setup. So just click next. You say next. I think I would like a shortcut. Configure your pygarm community setup. Add open folder as project. Update. Okay, you can just click on this. And let it do the job for you. So I'm installing pygarm Community Edition Setup, a place where we are going to be designing our projects and writing codes. So this is just a very simple setup process. It's not difficult. You can really upload and install whatever program you want, especially if you're using Windows operating system, which is just a click. So it's going to take a lot of time, but I think this is just a simple process you have to follow in order to install pygarm Community Edition Setup. So after this has been done, so all you need to do is just to click on the pygarm community icon on the desktop. So that I will explain to you in the next video. So please, if there is any questions about what is going on, what I have explained, you can write on the comment section. And also don't forget to click on the subscribe button, to click on the share button, so a lot of people can get these free materials and also learn on how to code in Python. I hope you enjoyed this video. See you in our next video.